I want you to visualize something. Imagine a picture of a beautiful handcrafted vase that falls and is shattered into pieces. An image of our lives broken with sin and failure. But then a skilled artisan representing God, loving, gathers each piece and painstakingly restores the vase to its original beauty, even adding unique touches that make it more valuable than before. This restoration process is akin to how God sent the Messiah to redeem and restore our brokenness into a new and beautiful creation. In our brokenness, we may feel beyond repair, but God, the master artisan, doesn't discard us. He sent the Messiah to restore us and make our lives beautiful and purposeful again.